Fresh developments have entered the long-running case of Nnamdi Kanu, and this latest update is already drawing serious attention across Nigeria. The legal team around the matter is still active, and now one of the voices making strong points is lawyer Abubakar Marshal, who has challenged parts of the process and raised fresh legal questions. This has added new energy to a case that has remained one of the most discussed legal matters in the country for years. Please like this video and subscribe, because this story is moving step by step and every detail matters. As the case continues, the major point being raised now is about fairness, procedure, and whether every part of the legal process has followed the correct path. Abubakar Marshal has argued that some issues can still be brought before the court, especially when they concern jurisdiction and constitutional rights. In simple words, he is saying that if there are important legal questions, the court still has the power to hear them, even at a later stage. This is important because many people believed the case had already reached a stage where only final decisions remained. But now, this fresh argument suggests there may still be room for new applications, new legal positions, and possible changes in direction. That is why this update is attracting attention again. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more trusted updates. For those who have followed the matter from the beginning, this case has passed through many different phases. There have been arrests, court appearances, bail matters, appeals, and serious arguments from both sides. Every time it looks calm, another development appears. That is why many Nigerians continue to watch closely. Now let us break this down clearly. When a lawyer challenges the system, it does not always mean fighting everything. Sometimes it means asking the court to check whether all procedures were properly followed. It can mean asking whether rights were respected. It can also mean asking whether certain actions were lawful from the start. That seems to be the direction of the fresh argument now being made. The supporters of Nnamdi Kanu see this as a hopeful sign. They believe there are still legal doors open, and they believe the court may review some important parts of the matter. Some say this proves the case is far from over. Others say this may bring fresh balance into the process. On the other hand, those who support the prosecution side believe the matter should continue normally and that previous rulings should stand. They say the case has already gone through many stages and should move forward without delay. This is why the story remains sensitive and important. It is not just about one person. It has become a matter connected to law, politics, rights, and national unity. Please like this video and subscribe, because we will continue to explain every update in simple English. Another thing making this case important is how long it has lasted. Many Nigerians are asking why such a major case has taken so much time. Some people believe justice should move faster, no matter which side wins. Others say because the issues are serious, the court must be careful and detailed. As of now, what many observers are waiting for is the next court step. Will the fresh arguments be accepted for hearing? Will the judges allow new issues to be raised? Will there be another twist nobody expected? These are the questions people are asking quietly. The role of lawyers in cases like this is very important. Their job is to present legal points strongly and protect the rights of their clients. That is exactly why statements from people like Abubakar Marshal attract attention. When a lawyer speaks boldly in a case of national interest, people listen carefully. Let us also remember that court cases are not decided by public emotion. They are decided by law, evidence, and legal interpretation. So while many people have strong feelings, the real decisions will come from the courtroom. Still, public interest cannot be ignored. This case has remained in conversations for years because many Nigerians feel it represents larger national questions. Some people see it as a test of fairness. Some see it as a security matter. Some see it as both. That is why every update becomes major news. Even one legal filing can change the conversation. Even one statement from a lawyer can create fresh expectations. Please like this video and subscribe if you want balanced updates without confusion. Now imagine this moment from the legal team's side. They believe if there are still valid legal questions, they must raise them now. They may feel silence would be a mistake. So bringing these fresh issues could be a strategy to reopen important discussions.